Hi guys, Scott here, Florida Structural Group. We're back on Sanibel here at Shorewood. So this is one of the property we've helped rebuild from start to finish after Hurricane Ian. One of the final finishing touches that we had to do was build this elevated platform over a protected dune area. And we've got that complete now. Thanks for checking us out. Last time I think you guys were at Shorewood, we still had some final touches to do. So now that they're complete, which includes landscaping, pavers, and the final cleanup, this is the finished product.